Hi and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear wiper blade from a 2018 Nissan Rogue. So here's the replacement. It is a 12-inch, which I bought it from Amazon. So right now I'm going to attempt to remove it and show you how to replace it. So what you do is lift it up as far as it could go, and then move this forward. When you hear the click, pull it down, and there it is. That's how you remove it. Now I'm going to attempt to put the new one in. Like that. And then you just click on it until you hear the click. Press on it until you hear the click. There, it's done. Now I'm going to remove this protective shield. Just like that. So there you go. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye.